Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set Adobe Reader as a default viewer in any Windows PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. On desktop, I have one PDF. I double click on it. It's open in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any other browser or software, but not opening in our Adobe Reader. This is our problem. I double click on this PDF and it's open in Adobe Edge. Microsoft Edge, and I want to solve this problem. I close it and go to my PDF. Right click on my PDF and click on properties or click on show more options and click on the properties. In properties, here we find open with. It's open with the Microsoft Edge or the Chrome or any other software. Change, click on the change button, click on change and change with the Adobe Acrobat DC or the Adobe Acrobat Writer. Okay, click at here and click on set default and is set for the all PDFs on our PC or laptop. Click on apply, click on the OK. Now this time here we find thumbnail is change. I double click on this PDF, double click on it, and this time it's open in our Adobe Reader. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix the simplest problem on any Windows operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.